Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the new and latest brand new MacBook Air 2020 edition. So this one's the gold color. So it is factory seal still. So you're going to be the first one that's gonna see me unwrap this or take out the clear wrapper. And you got the Apple logo right here on this side. MacBook Air again. And then another Apple icon. Oh, another Apple logo. So this one is the MacBook Air 13-inch. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this up. It is pretty quite heavy. Even though this is a MacBook Air, not Pro. And then let me zoom in the cover real quick. So there's that number right there for the cover. Yeah, this one looks like a rose gold, so wow. Nice. So it comes with this USB Type-C charging cable. Come with this design by Apple in California. Probably like stickers in here. Wow, even got the rose gold Apple logo sticker. And then it comes with this AC to USB Type-C adapter right here. So there's no extension cord for this, so if you want, you can remove this and then add the extension cord. Okay. So this one's the 30 watts. think that's about it. So there's a notch right here. It goes into that hole right there. Go and then open this up. So you got this screen protector, or like avoid from scratch. Wow, how do you take this one out? There you go. So anyway, this is first time boot it up, so it's gonna take a while, and I need to go set it up and set up the account. And then you could set up.
English as the main language. Press the return key.
You could set a different language: English, English UK, English Australia, English India, Espanol, Espanol Latin America, Chinese simplified, Chinese traditional, Chinese in Hong Kong, Japanese, French, French Canadian, Dutch, and Portuguese, Italian, Korean, Turkey, Netherlands. So good thing about the new and latest one, there's a fingerprint scanner right here. Is that a fingerprint scanner? Might be a power button right there. Got the nice touchpad right here. And then a light up keyboard. And you have two of this USB Type-C. I believe that this one's for the charging port, this one's for additional accessories or devices. And then on this side, this is just a earphone jack. Alright? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.